get irritated a number of times when you get officers going to complain to MPs that have not been promoted. The MPs will not promote you. The MPs can only possibly make a lot of talk in Parliament, but they'll never give you the required promotion. What will govern and what will direct your growth and in your career is your performance, your discipline. Those are very, very key elements.